Jama Saliyala Muhammad, let God bless you all as Sierra Leoneans. Eh, oh man. For the first time I see politics in the place that Sierra Leone, some man they looking family what they done there for so long in that relationship because of politics, brother. The family then lip and shake. Some man go don't get friend from ages because of politics, brother. Then friendship then they lip and shake. I don't see some man inside your own family self. He still make that yuku because of politics. He decrease. You know they see what thing happen today? You know see Dr. Samura? You know see Madabio? You know see the Yumkela? The man with the rimbo? 3 of them. And if you see the handshake, bruh, you will not say Sierra Leone is a blessed country. For the first time in history, you see all the leaders that come together, you see them make that handshake, that they tell you say is unity, brothers and sisters. Because all the shows say they get interest for the country. Now it make some of them greeting there would therefore sit down and relax and think, say, if them 3 people look at the way that they laugh between themselves, why I can't destroy my family? Why for bring politics inside my religion? Why I want cause me friend me come in Sierra Leone because of politics? Well, I don't do that. If we do that, this is the worst we can do to ourselves as Sierra Leone. We do out there with the cause that the media they're not cause person. If somebody do something to they feel bad, talk to them. If you're not listening, they carry on. Because if you say everybody will go and meet up now, so they go all. Bra is too heavy. Why are you holding grudge? Politics is just a game. Sometimes they see people that don't hold back for them, brother. Then why? You do Chris? Jamal, let God bless we, let God protect we. Allahumma rabbana atina fi dunya hasanatan wa fil akhiratin hasanatan wa qina azaban nar. Ya Allah, guide we as Sierra Leoneans, Ya Allah. Protect we, bring peace for we, Ya Allah. Ya Allah. What in say fairness, pull among we, Ya Allah. Lord, they left for Fred Yousef. Lord left that slogan for say Sierra Leone we hate yourself. Marshall, this is just a slogan. We have to cancel it. From now on, Sierra Leone will love ourselves. Whatever way they hold we back as Sierra Leone and Ya Allah, we cut it back. Whatever way they bring that fed between we as Sierra Leone and Ya Allah, push a far away from we, Ya Allah. It's not easy. Trying to bring 2, 3 people in together. It's very, very difficult. But Ya Allah, you will make it easy for we, Ya Allah. Let God bless you, let God protect you. Even though I get cold, but I believe, say, things like this, man, we need for come out. Order for come out, for Lord say thank you to Allah. When I join the thank you to Allah. When I join the thank you to Allah. Now, don't forget, say, because God not make we for no reason for stay on earth, except for one thing, to worship Him. And God don't tell you. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونِ. God did not create mankind. God did not create jinkind except for one purpose, to worship Allah alone. So your prayer. Politics, they pass. Yumkela go work. Dr. Samura go be president. Maybe Madabio go be head of security in that country for look after our country. Let God bless you. Let God bless myself. Let God bless everybody. Let God protect we from the hellfire.